Hey, why don't we go to the laundry room so we can get an experiment? Oh yeah, great idea. Let's go. Come on. So, that we're gonna make an experiment, Gaspard. Yeah. So, we're gonna use this basketball. Wow, a basketball? Look, yeah, the real one. Much bigger. Yeah, very heavy for me. Ah, don't worry. I'm gonna go get this into the watch machine. Well, actually, yeah. But you have to help me, Gaspard. Yeah. Okay. Gonna levitate in 3, 2, 1, go! Wow! Oh! Oh man, Gaspard. I can't. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! No, it's too big. Maybe we should try another one. Yeah, come on. Should we try this one? Yeah. Alright, let's go. So here we go. It's inside the washing machine. Yeah. What are we gonna do with it? Just watch, Gaspard. We closed it and we're gonna turn this on. We're not gonna put this large. We're gonna put this normal. Small. Are you ready? Yeah. Whoa! The water is coming! Yeah, we had to wait for some minutes. Yeah. Oh my god, look! Finally worked, Gaspard! Turning to fill with water. Wow! Sounds cool. Wow, Gaspard, we have to wait a little bit more until it spins. Okay. Hey, no spinning! Yeah! Look! Here it. Wow, actually, let's see that again. Very cool, right? Let's see what happens. Whoa! Didn't do anything. Come look, Gaspard. Wow! Well, let's see. Yep, the bowl's okay. Hey, wait a minute, Gaspard. When do we put some soap? Yay! Great idea! Oh, sure, Gaspard. We're gonna put this amount of soap. Yeah, come on. 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Now put the soap. Now let's see what's gonna happen. Whoa! It's making bubbles! Oh yeah! I hear some bubbles! Let's see what's gonna happen in the other 5 minutes. Okay. Well, Gaspard actually stopped. Yeah! Let's see what happened inside. Are you ready, Gaspard? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa! Nothing happened, Gaspard. Look! Look at all these bubbles! Wow! What? What? The basketball didn't do anything. Look! Still okay. Very cool, right, Gaspard? Yeah. Now, we're gonna go to the final part. Yeah. We're gonna go to the final round. The draining and the final big spin. Whoa, it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna go. Whoa! Let's see if it's gonna be true, guys. Oh, look! It's final spinning. Look, what's happening. You see, spinning. Yeah. Let's see what gonna happen. Is it gonna explode? Well, Gaspard, actually not. Because it's the greatest bow ever. Oh yeah, much better than this one. Well, look at the timer. Only the last round and we're finished. Yeah. Timer. Did the cycle finish it? Well, I don't know, Gaspard. Let's see. Yeah, come on. Because it passed like 10 minutes. I mean, or 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. What? Still going? Oh, no, wait. It's finishing. Simon is finishing. Whoa, yeah. Dude, this is gonna be insane. Wow, yeah. Oh, it actually stopped. The minute that we're finished! Yay! Let's go! Yay! Let's see. Now wait, Gaspard. We have to wait some minutes. Why? Because it got locked the door. Yeah, that's true. We have to wait like 5 minutes. Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah. Let's see. Can you open it right now? Yeah. There we go. Now we have the bowl over here. It seems to nothing happen. It's only covered with a bit of soap. Look at it, Gaspard. 3, 2, 1. It actually bounced. Normal. But a little bit worse than the last time. Yeah, let's go. Now we're gonna play. Come on. Oh. Hey. Come on. Three, two, one, go! Hey, let me get this one. Yay! Great job, Gaspard. My turn. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, almost there. Get it, Gaspard. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, great shot. My turn. Look. 3, 2, 1, go! Yay! Guys, if you enjoyed the video, then please subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching. Bye.